So Valentine's Day is upon us and I am in the spirit. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make one of my favorite vegan chocolate dipped strawberries. Now who doesn't like a chocolate dipped strawberry? It is the best. So to make this recipe, it is so easy. You're going to need some dates. I have about 8 to 10 dates. Then I'm going to have 3/4 cup of fresh coconut milk, or coconut water, I'm sorry. And I have carob powder, or you can use cocoa powder, whichever one you like. And just to add a little bit extra flavoring, these two, I'm going to put a little dash of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon or half a teaspoon, and then just a dash of vanilla, pure vanilla extract. Okay, so let's get started. Now, one thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to wash your strawberries before you get started. So I have my pre-washed strawberries. Oops, I lost one. Just make sure that they're dry because the chocolate sauce will not stick if you have strawberries that are too wet. All right, so let's make our chocolate sauce. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put my dates in. These are pitted. Then I'm going to put my coconut water in. And then I'm going to put my carob powder. And we're going to go ahead and blend. Okay, so now our chocolate sauce is done. And see, you want the perfect thick consistency so it sticks to the strawberry. And I'm just going to put it in my jar. Okay, so now we have our chocolate sauce. The next step is I'm going to dip the strawberries into the chocolate sauce. And see, oh, it came out perfect. I blended it so it's a perfect consistency. And you just put it on parchment paper. And you just get all of your strawberries. After we're done dipping these, we're going to go ahead and put it in the fridge for just a few minutes so it sits. Perfect gift for anyone. And they're healthy. This is vegan. There's no sugar in it. 100% all natural ingredients. Absolutely nothing to feel guilty about. Okay, so here you have vegan chocolate dipped strawberries. Now these are absolutely delicious, and happy Valentine's to me.